Today we discuss the answer key of Computer Science and Application MHSEC 2020 conducted on 27 December 2020. In part 1 already we have discussed the answer keys for the few questions. For the remaining question today we will discuss the answer keys. Which of the following production form belongs to the unrestricted grammar of type 0? Type 0 grammar is the recursively enumerable language which is determined by the Turing machine, and we know that it is unrestricted, so it can recognize all type of grammars. So we have given 3 grammars in the question. So all 3 are belonging to the type 0 grammar. So for the question number 60 we are discussing. As derives, A as A derives, BC derives AA. So this is the first. Second is given as derives A as A belongs null, and B as A derives something. So all these productions are of type 0. So the answer for question 60 is option D, or. Now solve question number 61. Noiseless channel with the bandwidth of 3000 Hz transmitting a signal with 4 signal levels. So we have to calculate the maximum bit rate. There is formula for the bit rate as 2 into the bandwidth into log to the base 2 of n. In this case, the bandwidth is given as 3000 Hz. We will substitute 2 into 3000 into log to the 2 base of 4. The number of channels given or the signals given are 4. So log to the base 2, we can write 4 as 2. So 2 into 3000, it comes out to be 6000 into. This 2 comes here into log 2 to the base 2 is 1. So it is 12,000. 12,000 is the option D. 61D. 12,000 beats per second. Next for 62, the answer is A. For question number 63. Find the class of the following 2 addresses. As the first address is starting with 000, we know that for the class A it is starting with the 0. So obviously the first given address is of class A. The second it is given as 14.23 and so on. We know that for the class A it is 0 to 127 and this belongs to the class A. So the answer is option D, class A. Both our addresses are of class A. For the question number 64, you have to calculate how long can a burst at maximum speed last. So token bucket size is given as 1 million bytes. Maximum packet size as 1000 bytes and token bucket weight of 10 billion bytes per second. So the answer is option C, 25 seconds. For question number 65, the symmetric tree cryptography. Every person in a group of 10 people needs to communicate with every other person in the group. So we are having 10 persons. So if we consider one person need to communicate with other 9 persons. like this 9. So total we are having 10. So how many secret keys are required? So we are having 9 into 10 number of keys. So if you multiply 9 into 10, that is 90. But this count is for both the directions. If we are considering for the single direction, if we are divided with 2, so the number of keys required is 45. So the correct answer for 65 is option C. 45. Question number 66. Which ARQ mechanism deals with the transmission of only demanded, damaged or lost frames? So the answer is option B, selective repeat ARQ. Selective repeat ARQ. Question number 67. The role of Common Gateway Interface, that is CGI, is. The correct answer is first option A, generate the dynamic web pages. CGI is used for generating the dynamic web pages. Now question number 68. In virtual cluster, management templates can be implemented using. It's a very tough question to find the answer, but I think the answer is option B, copy and relay format. If anybody knows, please comment the answer. Question number 69. GSM is an example of PDMA. Option A. Question number 70. The responsibility of Certification Authority CA for digital signature is to authenticate the public keys of the subscribers. Obviously, the private keys are not known to anybody. So, the thing that to be authenticated, that is the public keys. So, the option D is the correct answer for question number 70. Question number 71. It is the question of genetic algorithms. The population size is given 400. It is consisting of genome 123 copies of 001 with the fitness given as 0.12 and so on. So what is the estimated fitness of schema 1 star star star? So the answer is A, 0.4870. The correct answer is 0.4870. The next question 72. For the question number 72, it is the question of fuzzy logic soft computing. You are given the set A, fuzzy set A. Actually the tile is downside, but it should be on A, like this. So you are given the near 0.74 as 0.730 plus 0.8.735, like this, 0.60. Then the set B is given and you have to calculate the A union B whole bar. Now we know the De Morgan's law, A union B whole bar is equal to A bar intersection D bar. This problem can be solved in two ways. In the first way, you can use the De Morgan's law, and in the second way, you can calculate the A union B first, then you can calculate the complement. So by any way, you are getting the same answer. 1. Now, first we will calculate by using the De Morgan's law. So, first we will calculate the A complement by using the fuzzy logic. We have to calculate the complement 1 minus the given value of membership function. That gives you the complement. So for A complement, we will write 1 minus 0. So it is 1. And denominator, we have to don't do any for this 730 as it is only 1 minus 0.8, that is 0.2. Then 1 minus it is 0 plus 0.6, 1 minus 0.6, 0.4, and 1 minus 0 is 1. Write down denominator as it is. For 0, no need to write, but it's easy if you are writing. Okay? So like this, calculate the B complement. 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0.4, 0.6, 1 minus 0.8 is 0.2, then 1 minus 1, 0, 0.6, 1 minus 0.6 is 0.4, like this. What is the next thing that you have to calculate? The intersection of A complement and B complement. So, for calculating the intersection of two fuzzy shapes, we have to select the minimum of both the values from A and B. So, for A complement intersection B complement, that is our final goal. Minimum of 1, 1. Obviously, one value is there, so only 1. Plus minimum of 0.2, 0.6. So from these two values, which is the minimum value is 0.2. 0.735. From 0, 0.2. It is 0. Then from 0.4, minimum value is 0. And from this 0.4. Okay, we have calculated 3, 4, 5 values, correct? So this is your answer for A union B whole complement. Let's check. It is 1.200.4. The option B is the correct answer.